Meaning of ecologist.
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 Ecologist. An ecologist is a scientist who studies ecosystems, which are the communities of living and non-living things that interact with each other in a specific environment. Ecologists study how organisms in an ecosystem interact with each other and with their environment, including things like climate, soil, water, and air quality. They also examine the effects of human activities on ecosystems and work to develop strategies to conserve and protect these environments. Through their research, ecologists provide valuable insights into the complex relationships between living things and their surroundings, ultimately working towards a more sustainable future.